Hello, this is just a proceeding video from the last video on how to start a blog. This is the part 2 one. I would advise you to watch the first part on how to create a blog, and here is where you will be able to edit different things on your blog. For example, there is a lot of themes on where you can choose what type of theme you need to put on your blog. You see, this is interior themes, but I will advise you to put a custom themes, and I will post another tutorial on how to put a custom themes on a blogger website, because the custom themes are most advised if you want to monetize your blog via AdSense, because these themes are older ones. They look beautiful, but they need to be edited enough so that it can support ads, because if you want to monetize it via ads, you need to customize a lot of so that you will be able to monetize it. But in the next videos, I will show you on how to put a custom themes for your blog website. Now let us proceed to another section, which is about setting. Do you see, in the first section of setting, there is a part where you will be able to edit or to put a title for your entire blogger website. Do you see, I have wrote here a blogger tutor USA. Note, this title is important in ranking on Google search results. You need to be very careful on it, because if you need to rank high on Google search result, therefore you need to write it properly, because the title reflects anything that is contained on your website. Also, you need to write a title that impresses various readers, because the higher impressing title of your website is the higher people will like visiting your website. Also, let us proceed to another section, which is about description. It's a part where you will be able to write different descriptions about your website. Note, these descriptions are also important in SEO ranking. These are among of the important parts where you need to be careful in editing. You need to be careful in writing it for SEO ranking. Note, SEO ranking is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means you optimize or you make your websites to rank high on Google search result. I would advise you to put a lot of keywords that are included on your website when writing these descriptions for SEO ranking for your entire blog, because a lot of people they just end up by claiming, writing different feedback. Why my blog is not ranking? My blog is a lot of certain problems, a lot of challenges, because they failed to optimize their blog website for SEO ranking. Therefore, you need to be very careful in this part. Also, there is another section about language. This is a part where you will be able to choose a certain type of language depending on your visitors. For example, if I am in Africa, I'll choose Afrikaner. If I am in UK, I'll choose English, because my visitors, lot of, will be from UK, and if they are coming from UK, they will be impressed if they will directly see or observe English content. Even though you will be able to translate, visitors can be able to translate contents that are included on your website, but the default language will be the important one in impressing people in visiting your entire website. Also, there is a lot of languages where you can edit it. Let us go to the another section of the blogger setting, which is adult content. Here you will be able to switch it on if your blogger is for adult content. If you are just posting adult content, now you need to turn it on, because the blogger will need to show warning to your readers as the part of their privacy, readers' privacy, because any people can visit your blog and observe it without owning that will not be just a good privacy. Also, there is a section where you will be able to put analytics measurement ID. For example, if we want to track your visitors from which country, what places, time, whatever, geographical location, and anything more about analytics, you need to put a Google Analytics ID over here. And this one is good in tracking your visitors. I would advise you to switch it on once you need to track well your visitors on your entire website. Also, there is another section about favicon, where you will be able to upload a favicon for your blog. A favicon, I can say, is just a type of an icon where it can be appended on browsers. For example, for Google website, you see a favicon which has blue, green, and red colors. Therefore, simply you can understand this is a blogger, yes. But also, favicon has important in SEO ranking, because if we do not have any favicon, people may not be able to be impressed more about your website, because a favicon can simply be a logo, whereby a logo can just tell readers what type of website is, what type of symbol they can see indicating your website. Also, the conditions on uploading a favicon, it should be a square image which have less than 100 kilobytes, so that it will be able to be uploaded on a blogger website. Also, there is a section namely about search engines. Here you will be able to whether allow or not allow search engine to track or to find your blog. I would advise you to switch it, to leave it as it is on, because by default it will be on. But it is only because most of blogs are created so that they will be found by search engines. But if your blog is private, I would advise you to turn it off. But if you need to monetize it via AdSense, whether you need to get a lot of visitors from the world, you need to turn it on. Also, there is another part about publishing. Publishing is a part where you'll be able to customize different URLs. For example, by default there is a free URLs from which ends up with blogspot.com, but there is a part where you'll be able to write your custom domain. Here, if you copy this URL and paste it on tabs of your browser, you can see on how your blog will look like. But here also you'll be able to buy domains directly by Google or by various domain providers like Namecheap, GoDaddy, whatever. Also, there is another section about hit tips redirect. You need to ensure that visit is redirected to hit tips, because the hit tips is most secured type of URL setting for your blog, so it need to be only like this one. Also, we'll proceed to the next part or to the next tutorial on how to start a blog. Please subscribe and to continue visiting our blog, Tech Academy in YouTube daily.